welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Tia with Tia and the Beasleys, and today's video is going to be a nap time routine. So it's my weekend nap time routine. So when Orion naps, these are the things I do on Saturdays and Sundays, obviously when she's not in school. And so I'm just gonna kind of take you along, as you saw in the beginning, that certain parts of my house are very dirty. Other things I just need to do, like the mounds of laundry in the living room. Kind of have been holding off on that a little bit. So that needs to get done too. So I'm gonna start in the kitchen, cleaning everything in the kitchen. I'm going to start our crock pot dinner, and normally I would start it in the morning, but since the chicken is already cooked, it shouldn't take too long. It really just has to heat up and all of the flavors have to kind of combine together. So it should only take probably about 3 hours or so. So I'm gonna do that. That's probably the first thing that I'm gonna do, is get my crock pot meal ready, throw all this stuff into the sink, and then I will start tackling the cleaning. This is something that is probably gonna be pretty quick. I just kind of do a quick pickup overall sort of clean when she's napping, just to kind of restart the house, because that's really the only time that I can clean it, is either when she's napping or sleeping, because if I clean it, it just gets dirty as I'm cleaning. She's behind me making a mess. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean up with everything. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel down below. I do a bunch of different content. I do cleaning, decluttering, organizing, cooking videos, and I do Weight Watchers content on Wednesday. I haven't done that in a couple weeks now, mainly because I've been focusing really hard on my diet bet and have just kind of fallen off the wagon when it came to recording my What I Eat in a Days. And they weren't really getting a lot of traction anyway, so I wasn't sure if anybody even wanted to watch them. So I'm going to get back to it. This Wednesday will be a new What I Eat in a Day. I did record an entire Weight Watchers snack video that somehow I lost the audio for, so that was sad. But I may do another one here in the next couple months. But for now, I'm just going to be doing What I Eat in a Day, what my Weight Watcher favorites, Weight Watcher must-have, different things like that on Wednesday. My cleaning, decluttering, and lifestyle videos will be on Monday. And so, yeah, let's kick off Motivation Monday with a nap time clean, and hopefully this gives you guys some motivation. So let's get started.
So the first thing that I always do before I start cleaning is turn on my podcast. I like to listen to podcasts while I'm cleaning or doing anything, just because it's noise in the back, but I can listen to it without having to watch it. And I'm really into true crime podcasts, so I have been on a true crime podcast kick. So I've been listening to a lot of them. If you guys have any recommendations on a good true crime podcast, please leave them in the comments below, because I'm always looking for new ones to listen to. So today's dinner was just a white chicken chili. I just added a can of Rotel tomatoes, a can of chili beans, a thing of corn, and some already cooked shredded rotisserie chicken that I had in my freezer. I like to get the rotisserie chicken shredded up and then freeze some of it, whatever I don't use, so that I have it for times like this where I don't want to cook or I want something already cooked. I added 2 cups of water and a couple spoonfuls of the chicken bouillon. And what I didn't show here was I did add a package of cream cheese too, and I forgot to add it. And as I was cleaning, I found it on the counter and decided I should add it to the chili you see me doing here, sort of from the side, but I forgot to film it.
Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can't believe it, never felt this way. Nighttime struggling, turning into day. Bubble wrap and shiny cars, I let them pass this time. No need to sleep, I won't get far, just follow in the light. I know this means a lot to you, guardian eyes and detective suits. From your gut, gravitate, follow every move I make. Please just fall, please just fall. I know you're watching every step I take. Friends and strangers standing in your way. No messing up, no time to.
So here I'm just refilling my cereal bin with a box of cereal we had in the pantry. And then I went ahead and started making my overnight oats for breakfast tomorrow. So for my overnight oats, I just do half a cup of oats, half a cup of almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. It's the Fruity Cereal protein powder, and it is amazing. It tastes just like Fruity Pebbles, and I absolutely love it. I'm addicted and I can't stop eating it. I could eat it every single morning. So I just mixed all of that together and I leave it in the fridge overnight and eat it in the morning. I warm it up and I either eat it plain or with some fruit. A clean kitchen is truly the best thing to me. I love when my kitchen is clean and then I get to light a candle. It just makes my house smell so good and just makes me so happy.
The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how we love
Here you can see a little bit of the organization of my pantry, but I'm gonna do a full pantry video just showing me reorganizing it because it's kind of getting out of hand, and just showing you guys the bins I use and how I organize my pantry. So look out for that.
Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free.
Alright guys, well I will spare you from the really exciting laundry mess that I'm doing. I gave you guys a little snip of me doing laundry. The number one thing that I like to do when I do laundry is have my rack out so I can hang everything up, all the girls' clothes, mine and Daniel's clothes, just so it's all organized so that I can just haul it wherever it needs to go. And I always have my hanger storage rack with all my hangers on it, just so it's easy and fast. I am watching a show, so that makes it go a little bit slower than it probably would otherwise, but it just makes it a little more enjoyable for me. So I'm just gonna do more of this until Araya wakes up from her nap, and that will conclude pretty much everything that I do when she naps. I clean most of my kitchen, just sort of pick up all the toys, just because I know it's gonna start all over when she wakes up and Maya and her destroy the house again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel down below. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And happy Motivation Monday, and I will talk to you guys next week.
I'm trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was enough.